By age 40, your growth hormone levels have plummeted by 50%. By age 60, they're down 80%. This isn't just about feeling older. This hormone decline is literally accelerating your aging process and shortening your lifespan. Growth hormone is your body's master anti-aging hormone. It builds muscle, burns fat, repairs tissues, and keeps your cardiovascular system young. When it drops, everything starts falling apart. Your metabolism slows, your energy crashes, your muscles shrink, and your heart ages rapidly. The medical establishment wants you to believe that this decline is inevitable, that it's just part of aging. But groundbreaking research has discovered that you can naturally spike your growth hormone levels by up to 16 times normal levels in just 30 minutes. No injections, no expensive treatments, just a simple protocol that triggers your body's own production. Here's the secret. Strategic heat exposure combined with specific timing protocols. When you expose your body to intense heat at the right temperature for the right duration, it triggers a massive hormonal cascade. Your growth hormone levels skyrocket, your cardiovascular system gets a complete reset, and your body literally starts aging backwards. But timing is everything. Most people who try heat therapy are doing it completely wrong. They're using the wrong temperatures, the wrong duration, and the wrong frequency. That's why they're not seeing these dramatic results. The breakthrough protocol involves 4 30-minute sessions at 80 to 100 degrees Celsius in a single day, spaced several hours apart. This specific pattern triggers the maximum growth hormone response while also providing incredible cardiovascular benefits. The research shows this can spike growth hormone levels up to 16 times baseline. That's equivalent to what you'd get from expensive medical treatments. I've seen 60-year-olds regain the energy and vitality of 30-year-olds using this protocol. Their muscle mass increases, their body fat decreases, their energy soars, and their biological age reverses. It's like turning back the clock on your entire physiology. The complete growth hormone optimization protocol, including safety guidelines and exact implementation strategies, is detailed in my research compilation. You'll discover not just how to spike your growth hormone naturally, but how to sustain these levels for maximum longevity benefits. If you're ready to take control of your aging process and reclaim the vitality you had decades ago, click the link in the description. Don't let another day go by with declining hormone levels when you could be naturally optimizing them starting today.